Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's the girl Kels. I am back with a maintenance video tutorial for you guys. Just a few tips of how to maintain this expression fluffy big hair. Okay, this was on my mind for a while because I've had this hair for more than a month now. I took it out, washed my hair, and I reinstalled it. Okay, you can reinstall it. I'm gonna take it out so you guys can see. Okay, so I did a different type of braiding pattern and reinstall this hair. So I'm just gonna give you a few tips of how to maintain the hair. Okay, my last video was how to install this crochet hair. Being that it's so thick and fluffy, it can be a little complicated and a little challenging. So when I did that video, I did it with gaps, so that when I let out the hair, it won't, it can balance out on my head instead of doing it back to back real thick. This time when I reinstalled the hair, I pulled the hair apart little by little and I reinstalled it smaller and back to back, so the crochet knots are right after each other. Okay, with this installation, but the last installation they were spaced out, being that I did the crochet knot, I did the crochet hair probably around really thick. I did it really thick, probably like 4 in 1, and I just kind of pushed it through and just opened it out. But this time I pulled the hair apart and I did it thinner and installed it thinner and back to back with the knots. Okay, and I did a side part. Anyway, I just wanted to show you just a few tips of how to maintain the hair and how I've been progressing with this hair and how to keep it fresh and revived and so forth. So I'm gonna show you a couple of products that I use. Being that the hair is synthetic, I don't use like expensive products on it. So I went to the discount store and I bought this moisturizing conditioner. Okay, it could be any moisturizing conditioner. This was very affordable. It was like $1 and change. And what I did, I got a spray bottle, any spray bottle, okay, with a spray on top. And I put water and the conditioner in it and I kind of mixed it up. And what I do when I take the hair out and I wear it out like this throughout the whole head, what I do when I want to keep it neatly looking and keep it not from getting nappy and stuff like that, what I do, I use my big teeth comb. I'm gonna show you one. I use my big teeth comb and I comb it out, but before I do any kind of really combing, I kind of spray it with my conditioner and water. I spray it and I kind of work it in. Whether it's a thin piece or a big piece, it doesn't matter how thin or how big you want to do it. You spray it in there, spray the softener, and then you kind of like comb it out. Okay, take out all that nap. This one was already combed out, so this is what I did when I reinstalled the hair. I took it out neatly, washed my hair, okay, treated it and so forth, and then I did a different braiding pattern where I could have a part on the side. And to be honest, it doesn't matter what kind of braiding pattern you have. You could have big plaits in the back, okay, as long as you have a neat part here or in the middle or on the other side, wherever you want the style to show. I think that's what's more important, and just to make sure that your braids are tight enough. It doesn't have to be really fine and tight. You get what I'm saying? It could be big. Just make sure that it stays in the braid or plait that you're doing and just kind of pin it up, right? And just install it like that. Okay, whether you're installing it fine or you're installing it big, it doesn't matter, because this hair can get really fluffy and big, right? So like I'm saying, what I do, I work it in and then I comb it out with my big teeth comb. Okay, and then all I do is twist it. All right, so I twist it all the way down. And this is how I maintain the freshness of the hair, because it's synthetic. I don't wash it because washing it is not really gonna, I mean, it could take out the dirt. If you want to wash it, you could wash it. But when you're washing it, don't, you know, wash it too much. You got to be careful because it can get nappy very easily. You know, crochet hairs usually get nappy very easily. So what we're trying to do is keep the naps down. You get what I'm saying? Not make it get too matted. So I twist the hair back like this. Whenever I decide to take it out and wear it full, I would take it in sections and twist it back like this. And what's good about this hair, you can wear it in a ponytail, you can wear it out, you can wear it up, you could wear it half up, half down, you could wear any, it's very versatile, okay? So this is what I do. I kind of twist the ends like this so it can stay. And I keep it like this for like maybe 2 or 3 days or even a week. You know what I'm saying? I've been wearing it like this, twisted, for like a week or 2 if I'm going out. You understand? Well, right now we ain't going nowhere because it's quarantine. But if you are going out, maybe a family get together or whatever, and you want to wear it out, you could wear it out. You know what I'm saying? And when you come back, if you don't want to sleep on it when it's so big and so forth, you could just twist it back. You get what I'm saying? Spray your softener in it, work it in, you know, kind of comb it out a little bit, not too much. You don't want to get it all matted. But even if it's really matted and you're combing it out and some of the hair comes out, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, and then you just twist it back. When you're twisting it down and there's gonna be like little hairs that's sticking from the twist, like this right here. I don't know if you can see it. Hey, can you see it? That right there. All you have to do is clip it off. That's it. Right? And that's how I'm gonna twist these back. But that's how I maintain this hair. Now when I'm going to sleep, what I do, because I don't really sleep on this hair, I have some caps, some satin caps, okay, that I will put my hair in. I have this really big one. Okay, that's for when I have a lot of hair in my head. And I have this other one as well. Okay, what I do with this hair, whether it's twisted or it's out like this, I usually put it in a ponytail. And this is the beauty of this hair. You could wear it in a ponytail. You could wear it anyhow you want to do it, okay? I put it in a ponytail in the back. Okay. I put it in a ponytail in the back. Right? Put it in a ponytail. And I put my cap on. And this is how I go to sleep. Right? If you don't have a satin cap, you can make sure you have a satin pillowcase, okay? Because you don't want naps. And this is how I maintain it. I wear it like this in the daytime in the house sometimes, but I definitely wear this when I'm going to sleep. This is how I wear it. All right. And when you wake up, you could just, like, you know, play with it a little, do your edges, you know what I'm saying, get real cute, you know what I'm saying, and then you're good to go. Now for my roots, because you don't want, you know, you have to take care of your roots as well. Not only the hair, you have to take care of your hair as well. So what I do, I have a leave-in conditioner. I need some more because it's finishing. and Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner. What I do whenever I feel like my roots are kind of dry and, you know, it's not really, my roots don't really get itchy. If it gets really itchy, it's time to wash, okay? And I would take out everything, but I take it out very neatly and I put it aside, all right? I don't just like tug it out or whatever. I only do one knot. And what I do, I kind of find that knot and I just kind of pull it out. I don't want to pull it out right now. Okay, I pull it out and usually it's not going to be twisted, so it's going to be out. I wonder if I could do it and show you. So this is one that's already out. It's not twisted, right? So how, when my hair needs to be washed and I don't want to toss the hair in the garbage and I want to reuse it, what I do, see if I can find another one, because that one is kind of like, okay, this one, right? I just look for that knot and then kind of like, I pull it out. Right? See? This is the knot. And I pull them out one by one. Like that. And I just carefully put it aside, right? But I do that, take them out one by one, pull them aside, and wash my hair, treat my hair, re-braid my hair, oil my scalp. I do oil my scalp with Blue Magic. Don't sleep on this, girls, don't sleep. I use Blue Magic on my scalp whenever I feel like my scalp is dry. Even when the hair is installed in my head already, I use Blue Magic on my scalp regularly. Maybe like every other night I will use Blue Magic on my hair. And if it feels a little dry still, I spray some leave-in conditioner on my roots. It works for me. You don't have to do that. I spray some leave-in conditioner on my roots and it feels so cool and nice, and I just kind of rub it in, massage it, and that's it. If my hair start itching, girl, it's time to wash that hair. I don't wash this hair because I don't know, I just don't. But you could wash it if you want to, okay? I'm gonna put this back in my hair. So I'm gonna look back for that spot, which is right here, and I'm gonna reinstall back this in my head. One knot. That's all you need is one knot. And there it is, it's back, okay? I do one knot just for that specific reason, so that when I'm ready to wash my hair and take care of my hair, I take them out, I put them, you know, somewhere nicely and neatly, and I wash my hair, rebraid it, and put it right back in. This is my second installation. I haven't done a video on that, but I just want to come on here and let y'all know how I maintain this hair. This hair is like the easiest thing to maintain. All you gotta do is keep it twisted. You can wear it out and so forth. It's just like so versatile. You can wear it in a ponytail in the back when you're not doing anything, you just in the house. Right now I'm always in the house, so I always have it in a ponytail. When I'm going out or whatever, whenever I do get to go out, you know what I'm saying, I just kind of wear it out. I take out the twists and so forth. So this is how I maintain this expression, big, fluffy, beautiful hair. All right. And that's about it. That's what I do. All right. I hope you like this video. I hope I gave you some tips of how to care for your scalp and care for this hair. While you're wearing this hair, this is another tip. While you're wearing this hair, and you're wearing it out and not in twist, not as twist, and you're wearing it out and it gets real fluffy and so forth, it can get a little matted in between the hair. So you're gonna be looking for those flyaway hair or matted hair, and you just like clip them out. That's it. Just take the scissors and just kind of clip it out. Keep it nice, keep it neat, and keep it revived. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. I hope I helped anyone, and thank you for coming back to my channel, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. All those new people, thank you very much. I really love the support, and I'll see you guys another time. Bye now.